Hey there, welcome to Make Progress AI. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to use our tool. First, create a free account. Once you log in, you have a variety of options to create feedback. One of our more popular options is voice mode. Simply create a new student, and then you're going to press the microphone, and you're just going to give a high-level overview of the student and any specifications that you'd like to add. Dan did really well in my math class. Very pleased with his work ethic, and I'd like him to continue handing in assignments on time. And then within a few moments, you have instant feedback. You can also specify if you'd like this as a report card comment, formative feedback, or even a parent email. If you'd like something a little bit more in depth and extra personalized, you can use our form mode. Simply create a new student and answer some of the questions. After you've filled out the form, simply press create feedback. And here you have your student feedback. Next is picture mode. Picture mode is really interesting. You can use it on either your desktop or your phone. Most users prefer the phone due to its ease of use. For this demonstration, I'm going to be using my desktop to illustrate the functionality of picture mode. Step one, we're going to create a new student. Step two, we're going to press start camera. And here I have an example. You simply show it, press this button. Here's where you can put additional considerations. So if you'd like to format it as a parent email, formative feedback, or a report card comment, you can do so here. I'm going to say report card comment, and then press generate feedback. And here's your student feedback. Next, one of our new features is IEP plans. Again, same thing, we create a student. And then here we have the option of viewing the guide, or we can type our message, or we can speak into it. For this demonstration, I'm going to speak into it. Lauren did really well this semester. She needs to work on her fine motor skills. After the transcription is present, press this arrow button. And here we have our IEP plan that we can copy and paste. Next, let's take a look at Student List. Student List saves all of your comments in one centralized location. So for Lauren's example, we just created an IEP plan and we're going to press View. And here it is. Thank you very much for watching.